dear, I've been studying addition all morning and I'm really tired. But now I think I know what addition is all about. Now I know that one book plus one book equals two books. Isn't that cool?
Hello, Amber.
Hello. I'm sorry, but I don't know who you are.
Let me introduce myself then. My name is Plusso. I am a parrot and I live on this mango tree. That makes me your neighbor. I happen to hear you talking about addition. I love addition myself and I'm very good at it.
Oh, that's wonderful. I find addition a little difficult to learn.
Not to worry, Amber. I will help you understand addition. Have you noticed my blue cape? I got it because I can perform magic to teach addition.
Yippee! So I will get to learn addition and see magic today.
That's right, Amber. Now watch me use magic on this mirror. I will use it to teach you addition. Okay, Amber, we are all set to start the lesson now. Let's do a simple addition. 26 plus 13. Go on, try and tell me what will be the answer.
6 and 3 are in the ones place. 2 and 1 are in the tens place. I have learnt that when we add, we should always start with the ones. So first, I will add the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Then, I will add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, 26 plus 13 equals 39.
Very good, Amber. You have understood the basics of addition. Let's go over the addition of two-digit numbers without carry. To add 26 and 13, we add the ones first. 6 ones plus 3 ones give 9 ones. We write 9 under the ones column. Now we add the tens. 2 tens and 1 10 give 3 tens. We write 3 under the tens column. In this manner, we get the final answer, 39. Now, try to add 35 and 49.
Okay. 5 plus 9 equals 14. But where will 14 be placed?
Exactly! Now I will show you how this problem can be solved. Listen carefully.
Okay.
The method is called the long way of addition with carry. Now let's add 35 and 49 using this method. First, you need to expand each number. Expanding means splitting up numbers into tens and ones. It will make addition easier. 35 is expanded as 30 plus 5.
and 49 is expanded as 40 plus 9.
Very good, Amber. Now we add 5 and 9 to give 14. We write it below 5 and 9. Next, we add 30 and 40 to get 70. We write that below 30 and 40. Now you try to expand and add 70 plus 14, Amber.
70 plus 14 equals 70 plus 10 plus 4. Adding these numbers gives 84.
That's perfectly correct, Amber.
I have a question, Plusso. Is there a shorter way to add numbers?
Yes, there is. I will show you this method now. Let's add the same set of numbers, 35 and 49. First, we write the numbers one below the other. We will write O above the ones column and T above the tens column. Now we need to add the ones. Can you tell me what will you get if you add 5 and 9?
5 plus 9 gives 14. But again, where will we write 14? We already saw that there is no place in the ones column.
That's right. We cannot write 14 in the ones column. So, we split it into tens and ones. 14 gives 1 10 and 4 ones. We write 4 under the ones column and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Next, we add 3 tens, 4 tens and the 1 10 that we carried over. Now, Amber, tell me what the addition of tens will give you. Also, looking at this, can you tell me the answer to the addition, Amber?
Adding all the numbers in the tens place will give 8 tens. So we write 8 in the tens column. And the answer to the addition problem will be 84. Is that correct, Plusso?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Well done! Let's go over the addition of two-digit numbers with carry. To add 35 and 49, we add the ones first. 5 ones plus 9 ones give 14 ones. We write 4 under the ones column. We carry over 1 to the tens column. Now we add the tens. 3 tens plus 4 tens plus 1 10 carried over give 8 tens. We write 8 under the tens column. In this manner, we get the final answer, 84. Hey Amber, would you like to see how 3 two-digit numbers are added?
Oh yes, I would love to learn about this.
Okay then, let's choose any 3 two-digit numbers. 45, 37 and 16. We will indicate the tens and ones columns. Amber, do you remember how we added two numbers? So can you tell me what we should do next?
We add 5 ones, 7 ones and 6 ones to get 18. 18 is 1 10 and 8 ones. So we write 8 under the ones column. We carry over 1 10 to the tens column.
Excellent! What will you do next?
We add 4 tens, 3 tens, 1 10 and the 1 10 carried over to get 9. 9 is written under the tens column. So, the answer is 98.
Wow! You have learned quickly, Amber. Let's have a quick recap of 3 two-digit numbers with carry. To add 45, 37 and 16, we add the ones first. 5 ones plus 7 ones plus 6 ones give 18 ones. We write 8 under the ones column. We carry over 1 to the tens column. Now we add the tens. 4 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10 plus 1 10 carried over give 9 tens. We write 9 under the tens column. In this manner, we get the final answer, 98.
Hello! Did you enjoy the lesson on addition with Plusso? Well, I did. I found it very informative. So let's go over the important points quickly. When simple addition of two-digit numbers without carryover is performed, then adding 2 ones gives ones. For two-digit numbers, when addition with carryover is used, then adding 2 ones gives tens. Addition with carryover can be done in 2 ways. Long way of addition with carryover. In this method, numbers are expanded before adding. Short way of addition with carryover. Here, numbers are directly added by counting forward.